Hold on for a second. This isn't a cartoon or a pre-recorded video. What you're watching began as a single image. Using HeyGen, that image became a talking, human-like avatar with natural lip sync and realistic motion. No animation skills, no voice actor, no complex editing. If this is possible, imagine what you can create. Let's break down how it works. Stay tuned for the step-by-step walkthrough. Let's get into it.
Hello and welcome back to the AI Attic. Have you ever wondered how a simple image can suddenly start talking naturally and almost human? In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to create a talking avatar from start to finish here on the Huygens platform. And yes, you don't need any animation skill set. You can sign up for an account if you don't have one. But if you do, sign in with your account and let's continue. Now, let's jump in and bring an image to life. We're finally at the dashboard. This is where everything comes together, where a single click turns an idea into a living, talking visual. From here, click the Create button on the top left. In the menu, navigate to Photo to Video and select it to continue. What you see here is a preview of a still image that was turned into a talking video. But we'll skip it and click on Create Video to create ours. Now that we're on the input screen, this is where we add our image and script. We'll go ahead and click on the Upload Image. From the list of images, we'll select one, then tap Open. This image was created using ChatGPT. If you want to learn how to create yours, click the video at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, now let's bring our image to life. To keep things smooth and efficient, we created a script using ChatGPT. This helps maintain clarity and creative consistency, so we'll go ahead and copy the script. We'll now paste our script directly into the input box. Next, we'll scroll down to select the voice. On the overlay, you'll see a voice design panel where you can either enter a voice prompt or click on the Try a Sample button. The My Voice option is where voice cloning comes into play. If you want the avatar to sound like you can create a voice clone by uploading samples of your own voice. The system learns your tone and pacing, allowing the avatar to sound just like you. There's also the option to use third-party voice samples, which is useful if you're working with a brand voice or a collaborator. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and select a voice from Huygens' built-in library. You can choose your gender and select from existing list of voice available.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings
We'll go ahead and select this voice sample, save our choice, and continue to the next step. Before generating the video, you can choose between portrait or landscape orientation depending on how you plan to use it. You also have the option to open the advanced settings where you can fine-tune the final result, adjusting facial expressions, gestures, and motions to better match the style and tone of the video you want to create. For clear, smooth, and sharp video quality, we can only select the 720 progressive scan for the free version. Okay, now everything is in order. We can go ahead and generate our video. We've been redirected back to the dashboard and the video generation is now underway. While we wait for it to finish, this is a perfect moment to say thank you to everyone who's followed along so far. Your support means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue creating more practical AI tutorials like this one. And don't forget to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. The generation is complete. Let's preview it together and see our creation come to life.
This is not a video clip or a live recording. What you're seeing began as a single image of an astronaut. No cameras, no studio, no voice actor. Using HeyGen, that still image was transformed into a realistic talking avatar with natural lip sync and movement. If an astronaut can speak like this from one photo, imagine what your images can do. Let's break it down. Watch closely. This is where AI storytelling starts. AI.
And just like that, the image springs to life, but it doesn't stop there. If you want your video to reach an even broader audience, you can translate to any language of your choice. You can also add captions with a single click. Select the caption option, and they're applied instantly. Let's test run the caption option and see the difference.
This is not a video clip or a live recording. What you're seeing began as a single image of an astronaut. Nope.
With the captions now applied and the video replayed, everything looks polished and ready. At this point, you can go ahead and click the download button to save your final video. Thank you for staying through the entire walkthrough. Your support truly helps the channel grow, and it allows us to keep bringing you clear and practical AI tutorials like this one. Until next time, keep exploring.